Set against the coastal landscape of Tapak Tuan, South Aceh Regency, within the green open space Pala. This development is located near the historic Tapak and Tongkat Tuan landmarks, cultural icons that enhance the region's identity. At the core of this initiative is the development of a premium 4-star hotel, designed to blend seamlessly with Tapak Tuan's scenic coastal panorama. This investment aims to capitalize on the rising national and international tourism markets, positioning the hotel as a signature destination in South Aceh. With the region emerging as a diverse tourism hub, spanning marine, nature-based, historical, culinary, and religious attractions, the project is poised to drive substantial economic growth and elevate the overall visitor experience. Supported by strong community engagement and a commitment to sustainable development, the hotel is envisioned as a landmark that delivers long-term economic value while preserving the cultural integrity of Tapak Tuan. Through its strategic location, premium concept, and alignment with South Aceh's expanding tourism sector, this development offers a compelling opportunity for investors seeking high growth potential within Indonesia's hospitality landscape.